This is Vanilla Wafer from the Vanilla Brothers. I'm Joey, my brother, aka Vanilla Thunder, is not with me right now. He is at his house resting because, as you guys all can see, he just got a tattoo. So when my brother and I were looking through videos on the internet, we saw some guys try to attempt to sneeze with their eyes open and see if it's possible, and they couldn't do it. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I'm gonna see if it's possible. So I'm gonna roll up a piece of tissue. I'm gonna stick it in my nose and hopefully I can sneeze. Ugh. Okay, so that didn't work out so well, so I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna try to hold my eyes open, and hopefully that works. So you saw it here, Vanilla Wafer, Vanilla Brothers. I am proclaiming it is not possible to sneeze with your eyes open. And if you can do it, I give you mad props, even though I probably won't believe you unless you send us a video of you doing it. But yeah, it's not possible, or I'm not able to do it. So this is Vanilla Wafer signing out.
I'm riding on a dolphin, doing flips and shit. The dolphin splashing, getting everybody away. But this ain't SeaWorld, this is real as it gets. I'm on a boat